Hello! In today's video, let me show you how to make sweet potato and beans porridge. This meal is so delicious, very delicious. It's so healthy and very easy to make. It can be taken as lunch and also as dinner as well. So without wasting so much of our time, let's get right into it. Here are the ingredients we are going to be using for the preparation of this meal. So in here I've gotten some onions, habanero peppers, and I also have some red bell peppers, palm oil, and in here I have some potatoes, sweet potatoes. I've gone ahead to prepare them beforehand. I've washed, peeled and cut them into smaller pieces. You can as well substitute the potatoes with plantains. Either ripe or unripe plantains are okay. You can even use yam as well. So in here I have the beans that has been picked and washed properly. So here are my catfishes. I have 2 pieces of catfishes. I've washed them with salt water, and I have salt as well with some grounded crayfish, that is crayfish powder. I'm not going to be using any seasoning powder at all because this meal doesn't call for it. With all this being said, let's get right into action already. In a clean pan, we are going to pour in the beans. Let's go ahead and fill the pot of the beans with some water. You are going to fill it to the level of the beans in there. Do not have too much water to begin with. It's better you add water as the beans is cooking and soaking up the water. Let's go ahead and add some chopped onions. Let's cover it up and transfer it to the stove. I came to check on the beans after about an hour of cooking. The water in there has dried a little bit, so I'm adding some water to top it up to the level of the beans all over again. Time to add the fishes to the beans. I'm going to debone everything and add them to the beans. Let's cover it and allow it to cook more. Now the beans is soft enough to add other ingredients to it. I'll go ahead and add other ingredients. So I'm going to be adding all the potatoes right now. So let's cover and allow to simmer for about 10 minutes more. Potatoes don't take time to cook. It's almost done and it smells so nice, so nice. The aroma in the kitchen is so pleasant. Let's taste for salt and check if everything is well combined. I'm satisfied. So I'm going to be adding some chopped green onions to further enhance the taste and also add greens to the meal. Let's stir and combine everything together. The food is ready. I'm just going to cover it for a few minutes. And I've turned out the heat already. Yeah, food is ready. It's time to taste. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Our potato and beans porridge comes out well. It's really yummy, you guys, and I hope you try it as well. Thank you so much for coming along with me in this video. I will see you again in my next one. Bye.